Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's nails are for Valentine's Day. I already prepped my nails and everything, and here I'm just putting on some rubbing alcohol to dry them out, and I'm gonna put on a base coat and cure. Now I'm going into the Polygel. I'm using Cheeky by McCart. My thumb gets kind of messed up in this video. You'll see it in the end result. I don't know what was going on this day when I was doing my thumb. I basically just spread it around and then smoothed it out. And onto the rest of the nails. I did these pretty quick, so I'm just putting base coat on all of them. Usually I work one nail at a time, but these were all like the same polygel, so I just went for it. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing. I put a layer on, and then I also go in with an extra layer after I cure it and everything to kind of like build up like an apex and make them a little bit thicker. Here's what they look like done and filed. I sometimes show me filing them, but I have so many videos of me doing it already, so I just kind of left it out this time. I'm doing French tip. I mean, they turned out pretty good. I did the French tip on my thumb, my middle finger, and my pinky finger. I just basically do the smile line with the brush, and then I go in with like the actual gel and slap it all on there, and then use my little brush again to like move it all around and smooth it out. Now I'm using some of my Beetles gel. This is a red, and I'm gonna get into like the nail art. This nail look is all nail art basically, so it's kind of a struggle because I don't really like nail art, but it's Valentine's Day, you gotta make an exception. On my thumb, I just do 2 red hearts. Also, I saw this look on Pinterest. I'll put up a picture if I can find the picture, but yeah, that's what I'm basically following. And then I put a heart on the pinky, only one because it's a little nail. And now I'm using this shade in that same Beetles collection to do 2 other hearts on my middle finger, just to contrast the red ones. This was my favorite part. I love doing like squiggles because like you can't mess it up. I just do like random little lines in some red. with the pink, I'm gonna like outline, I don't know, like I'm gonna line the red. And then I finish off those two nails with little hearts in white. And then that's basically it. I use a top coat, cure it all. This look was pretty simple. I really like it and it's so cute. I've gotten so many compliments on it and I just am in love with it, and I love Valentine's Day, so it's perfect. But this is what they look like. I recorded this bit a few days after because I forgot. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time.